Meaning of harsh.
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 Harsh. The word harsh is an adjective that can be used to describe something that is unpleasant, unkind, or severe. It can also describe something that is rough or painful to the touch. When someone speaks in a harsh tone, it can make other people feel uncomfortable or offended. Harsh weather conditions can be difficult to endure, and harsh chemicals can be dangerous if not handled properly. Overall, harsh is a word that is commonly associated with negative experiences or situations that are difficult to tolerate.